Yes, student, as I am showing you that those different pattern of effect, as soon as you give any effect, select the particular, suppose this effect has been given. Now effect has been given on it. Now if you do the preview, you can do the preview. See here, preview can be done. Okay, so you can give the preview, you can give add the animations also. There different pattern of animations are there, same thing. What are there, these all are there also. Okay, animations are there. That also, if your computer has a sound effect, then you can give an animation panel. Sound effects are there, animation patterns. Click on the animation pattern. See here, different pattern of animations will see format toolbar. In design view came, animation patterns are there. Okay, different type of animation pattern. Now suppose slideshow. Slideshow means you want to see the slides from the beginning. If you want to see the slides from the beginning, you can do the slideshow. I have saved it as a click, isn't it? As a click effect. All the thing will come in a click effect. So as I am clicking on it, everything is there. Okay, so this is my last slide, nothing is there. So this till this much, this way you can do the presentation, you can do the recording also. This is not there. Next comes the review. Review means what are there, if you have any spell check and all that, you can use it for the review option, checking the spelling. Now view, in the view option, one thing I have showed you to slide master. Slide master means it will create similarly one particular pattern of PowerPoint presentation, and using that particular PowerPoint presentation you can do the slide master on it. So if you create the slide master, see a new pattern of presentation came, you can select the theme, any pattern of theme, you can select the blank theme. If you want a blank theme, white theme, just a blank theme, it will become a white, simple white, isn't it? This way it has changed because theme I have changed, theme pattern has been changed, isn't it? Anyway, any pattern of the theme you can use, any type of theme you can use. Any type or pattern that is available, that can be used. So all the themes what are there, different type of theme. Now if you want to quit out from the, insert a slide in the slide master, that also you can do. You can delete it, you can rename it, anything you can do. Now if you want to close it, go to the close button, the thing will be closed. Okay, the thing will be closed. Now what I am talking about regarding to this pictures and animations. In this picture, what do you have? We have a different type of what, design. So if you select this picture, you see different type of picture layout will going to come in front of you. Okay, picture layout is there. So you can use those picture layout, you can use the border, you can use the size. See here, different type of drawing effects are there, different shapes are there, isn't it? Different colors are there. In the writing also, suppose if you select this writing, suppose if you have selected this writing, see it has changed into red color. Okay, so these are the things what are there that you can do, and you can present it. If you want to add a column, you select it first, add a column, go to the layout, go to the see here layout. If you want to insert a particular row, then you can insert, see one insert is row. If you want to, suppose you click here and you want to insert a column, say column is inserted. So this way you can increase and decrease your column, and you can make your uh, graph, and you can make your table. Okay, this is what the table creation, this is a graph creation. Graph effects are there. With the corona graph effects I have shown you. So different type of effects are there that you can create, that you can make. Now how to save it? Saving, you all know, go to the save option or save as option. It will save with an extension .ppt. Okay, so it will going to save, you see your book, from the book also you will get the reference. It will save as an option of ppt. So this way you will going to save from here your word. Okay, your work will be saved. If those the work what you need to save, and how you are going to run. So you must use all the things, all the different pattern of your photo. You can insert directly, you can insert the photo from there. If you have a photo album from in there, you can use. If you use to table from here, that also you can do. See here, table option is there. So from this table option, how many rows and columns you want to insert, from there also you can insert the table option, isn't it? You can change the pattern, you can change the color, whatever color you want, which color you want. Different type of matching colors are there, different type of formats are there, isn't it? You can give any pattern of shading, what are the shadings you want. Suppose red color of shading, see red shading is there. Based on red, different type of red shadings are available. Okay, border, if you want to give from the table, see all borders. So see here the border came, isn't it? Effect, what the effect you want to apply, shadow effect, curve effect, different type